Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Welcome back to Part 2. Now that we've covered the essentials in Part 1, it's time to explore some more advanced aftermarket parts that can really take your truck to the next level. Let's get started. Lighting enhancements. Upgrading your truck's lighting is a simple but impactful change. Whether you're driving through the night, working late, or tackling tough off-road terrain, proper lighting is essential. LED light bars. These light bars enhance visibility when driving off-road, giving you more control and reducing blind spots. Fog lights. Fog lights are crucial for navigating through low visibility conditions like rain, snow, or fog. They help illuminate the road without blinding other drivers. Upgraded headlights. New, brighter headlights can improve safety during nighttime driving and give your truck a more modern, sleek appearance. Lighting upgrades can improve both the functionality and aesthetic appeal of your truck. Interior comfort and convenience. While the exterior is important, don't forget about the interior. Upgrading your truck's interior can enhance your overall driving experience, making long trips more comfortable and enjoyable. Premium seat covers. Seat covers not only protect your upholstery from dirt and wear, but they also provide added comfort and style. Many options even come with additional padding for improved support during long rides. Dash cams. Dash cams are an essential safety feature. They record footage of your driving, which can be helpful for insurance purposes in the event of an accident or dispute. Sound systems. For audiophiles, an upgraded sound system is a must. High-quality speakers, subwoofers, and amplifiers can turn every drive into an immersive experience. Upgrading the interior is all about creating a more comfortable and enjoyable environment for you and your passengers. Tires and rims. One of the most straightforward upgrades you can make to your truck is swapping out your tires and rims. This is a relatively low-cost, high-impact upgrade that can drastically change the look and performance of your truck. All-terrain tires. If you love off-roading, all-terrain tires are a great investment. These tires offer superior grip, traction, and durability on rough terrain, making them perfect for outdoor adventures. Performance tires. For better handling on paved roads, performance tires provide superior traction and smoother handling, especially when cornering or driving at higher speeds. Custom rims. Custom rims give your truck a personalized, one-of-a-kind appearance. Whether you prefer a sleek, minimalist look or something more aggressive, there are countless designs to choose from. The right combination of tires and rims can completely transform the look and driving experience of your truck. When to avoid aftermarket truck parts. While aftermarket parts can offer tremendous value, there are times when sticking with OEM parts is the better choice. Let's go over a few of those scenarios. Parts critical to safety. For vital safety systems like brakes, airbags, and steering components, it's often best to stick with OEM parts. Cutting corners on safety could put you at risk during an emergency. Additionally, certain aftermarket safety parts may not meet the same rigorous standards as their OEM counterparts. Warranty implications. Modifying your truck with aftermarket parts can sometimes void your manufacturer's warranty. Before making any upgrades, check your warranty terms carefully. Some manufacturers are very strict about what modifications are allowed, and failure to comply could result in your warranty being voided. If you're not sure, it's worth contacting the manufacturer directly for clarification. Hidden costs and risks. While aftermarket parts are often cheaper upfront, they can come with hidden costs. Installation costs. Some aftermarket parts require specialized tools or labor for proper installation, adding extra costs to the upgrade. Resale value. Poorly made aftermarket parts may negatively affect your truck's resale value. Potential buyers may be hesitant to purchase a vehicle with low-quality components. By carefully weighing these factors, you can make a more informed decision when deciding whether or not to choose aftermarket parts. Tips for choosing the right aftermarket parts. Making smart purchasing decisions can save you time, money, and frustration down the road. Here are a few tips for selecting the best aftermarket parts for your truck. Research reputable brands. Not all aftermarket brands are created equal. Stick with trusted manufacturers that have a track record of producing high-quality, durable parts. Verify compatibility. Ensure that the parts you're considering are compatible with your truck's make, model, and year. Always check reviews and consult with experts to avoid costly mistakes. Consider professional installation. Some upgrades may be simple to install yourself, but others, like suspension systems, turbochargers, or engine mods, require professional knowledge. If you're not confident in your ability, hire an expert to ensure the job is done right. The future of aftermarket truck parts. With technology continuing to advance, so too are aftermarket options for truck owners. Here are some exciting developments to look out for. The rise of smart upgrades. As more vehicles become connected, expect aftermarket parts to get smarter. We're already seeing the rise of Bluetooth-enabled accessories, adaptive lighting systems, and even AI-driven performance upgrades. These smart parts can increase convenience, safety, and efficiency, making your truck even more intuitive. Sustainability in aftermarket parts. As environmental awareness grows, many aftermarket manufacturers are focusing on sustainability. From eco-friendly materials to energy-efficient components, the future of aftermarket truck parts will likely involve options that are better for both your truck and the planet. Aftermarket truck parts can unlock the full potential of your vehicle, enhancing performance, style, and utility in ways that OEM parts often can't match. Whether you're upgrading for power, aesthetics, or functionality, understanding the pros and cons of each part is key to making smart, cost-effective choices. By researching reputable brands, verifying compatibility, and considering installation needs, you can customize your truck to meet your specific needs while avoiding unnecessary costs and headaches. When done right, aftermarket upgrades aren't just worth it, they're a complete game changer for any truck enthusiast. Happy customizing! Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.